Do you know that there are 6 different types of acne? So, if you're someone who deals with acne regularly, it is very important for you to know which type of acne are you suffering from. Why? Because it will help you understand your skin better and deal with acne much better. Let's start with the most common, that are whiteheads and blackheads. The best of us have got these, but they mostly recur with people who have oily skin. What happens is that your pores are clogged with excess amount of sebum or oil along with dead skin cell. The only difference between them is that in whiteheads, the natural color of the sebum is exposed because the pore is closed and it doesn't come in direct contact with the air. But in blackheads, the pore is exposed and the skin is ruptured, which gives it the black color due to oxidation. First of all, limit the use of nose pore strips. Even though they clear out the gunk from your face, but still they damage your skin barrier. Limit your monthly facials because they use heavy moisturizers that can clog your pores. Thirdly, always use a dermatologist prescribed skincare plan. At Cureskin, we do use good non-comedogenic products along with some amount of exfoliants to take care of your skin. So that's it for this video. Do watch our next video to know about your acne and deal with it better. Thanks.